If you are looking for the best countertop microwave, here is a collection you have got to see. Let's get started. Number 1. Most popular. Panasonic NNSN966S Countertop Microwave. With 2.2 cubic feet of cooking space and 1,250 watts of cooking power, this microwave has space to heat food for the family, and the power to get the job done quickly. The turntable is a whopping 16.5 inches in diameter, so it will hold several plates, large serving dishes, or a large casserole. Proprietary technology heats food evenly while it also speeds up defrosting time, so you'll have a less waiting time, no matter what's for dinner. The Genius sensor adjusts the power and cooking time for different foods. Number 2. Toshiba EC042A5C-BS Microwave Oven. This combination of microwave and convection oven takes care of that problem. You can microwave or convection cook the food separately, or you can use them in combination for super fast cooking and perfect browning at the same time. Many reviewers highlighted this oven's convection performance, with one praising how well it crisped a range of foods, from potatoes to frozen pizzas. Convection cooking can be set from 175 to 525 degrees, and there are 10 microwave power levels using 1000 watts of power. Number 3. Panasonic 0.8 FT Countertop Microwave. This isn't a huge machine at just 0.8 cubic feet of space, but it is built for quick cooking and long life despite heavy use. This has 1000 watts of power that it uses efficiently, feeding the energy from the bottom so it travels less than typical microwaves that produce the energy at the top of the cooking chamber. This doesn't have a turntable, so your cooking space isn't limited by that disk area, so you can fit larger casseroles or arrange more plates and bowls without them tipping or wobbling. Number 4. Nostalgia RMO4RR Countertop Microwave. The retro design of this microwave is just funky enough to look modern at the same time. The vibrant red will add a pop of color, while the oval window, digital clock, and round controls evoke an era when space travel was a fantasy. It's also available in aqua, black, and cream. In a modern kitchen, it would add a note of whimsy. Indeed, several reviewers lauded how much the microwave spruced up their space. It isn't all about design, though. This offers 0.9 cubic feet of cooking space and 800 watts of cooking power, a dozen programmed cooking settings for favorites like popcorn, potatoes, pizza, vegetables, and more. Number 5. Farberware 1.2 FT 1100 watt microwave. The grilling function on this microwave sets it apart from the rest of the pack, while its standard microwave functions are everything you'd expect from a quality microwave. It has 1.2 cubic feet of cooking space, 1,100 watts of cooking power, a 12.4-inch turntable, and 10 levels of microwave power. Cooking presets include popcorn, potato, frozen pizza, frozen vegetable, beverages, meat, and dinner plate. You can defrost by time or weight, set your own cooking time and temperature, and set multi-stage cooking to change the cooking power during the cooking time. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.